Good morning, students. This is Ms. Medina, and I'm going to go over the horizontal and vertical line. The acronym HOY is supposed to remind you about horizontal lines. So when your line is horizontal, that's what the H is for, your slope is going to be 0, and the equation is going to be y equals whatever your y value is. So in this case, it's crossing at y equals -4. It's a horizontal line. And this will be the type of line. Now, if your line is vertical, right, up and down, your slope is going to be undefined, and the equation is going to be x equals whatever the x value is. So in this case, it's up and down on x equals 6. That is the equation. So if we're going to graph these right here, right, it says y equals 7. So then y is horizontal, HOY, right? So then that means that it's going to go through here. Let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 7 will be in between here. All right, so that would be the line for y equals 7. This is x equals -2. We just have to find -2 for x right here. And so this is the line for x equals -2. Alrighty. All right, let's do a few examples like we did in class. X equals -1. That's when you're going to use VUX. That means it's vertical at -1. Let me see if I can get a darker pen. There you go, x equals -1. This is y equals 5, so it's a horizontal line, right? So that means it crosses at y equals 5. So it's going to be like this. Y equals -4. So that means it's horizontal at -4. Okay. X equals 4. That means it's vertical at +4. All right, write the slope-intercept form of this equation. This is a horizontal line, so we're going to use the HOY. The slope is 0, right? This is going to go to 0, and that's how you end up with y just equals the y-intercept, which is at 4, which is why we say if you're horizontal, your equation is just y equals 4. This is vertical, so then your slope-intercept form is just x equals 3. Same thing. Where's the line? The line's over here. It's vertical. X equals -5. The line's right here, and it's horizontal. HOY. So that means y equals 2. Sorry, I'm trying to. I hope you understand, and please remember VUX HOY.